Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. Today we're going to talk about why not to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and an alternative that you can use that's easier, more effective, cheaper, faster, all the things. There's going to be 3 reasons why not to use Cash App. Reason number 1 is the fees. When you buy Bitcoin, it's going to charge you a little fee. If you buy like $1, I believe that fee can be like 3%. So you're losing 3% there. And then if you choose to send Bitcoin off of the app, there's likely to be another fee. So I used Cash App for a long time buying Bitcoin. That kind of sucks, the fees. I would have had way more Bitcoin if I didn't have those fees. I just used it as a convenience because Cash App was easy to use. But then point number 2 happened. Cash App decided to terminate my account. Now there's no reason for them to terminate my account. They didn't provide a reason. I didn't do anything wrong. I was just a normal user. I even made hundreds of Cash App tutorials on my YouTube channel, which you guys can check out. But that kind of brought me to the point where it's like, why would I use this app if they can just terminate my account? And then I have to like close out my account, send all my money or my investments elsewhere or sell them. It's just a huge pain. And the third reason is kind of security. You do have a Bitcoin wallet on Cash App where you can send and receive Bitcoin, but it's not the most secure. This is a custodial Bitcoin wallet, which means that the company that you do this Bitcoin wallet through kind of owns or has access or operation abilities to your wallet or to your Bitcoin. So that's not the position that you want to be in with crypto. You want to have full access and control and ownership of your funds. So you can do what you want with it, send it whenever you want, and no one else can like stop you or prevent you from doing things. So the best way is to get like a hardware wallet, like one of these little ledger things. Set that up, then you'll have the best security, the most safety for your funds, and you'll have a wallet address. Like this one here, this is my wallet address. So I don't have to have this plugged in or anything. I can just send Bitcoin to my wallet address whenever I want and I'll receive it. And this is just a blockchain explorer. Like you could go to any site and search for my address and explore what I've done. It'll show all the transactions here and stuff. So on to the alternative. The alternative that I've been using is Strike. By the way, if you sign up with the link down in the description, you get $10 for free. And you can do this on your mobile phone or in your browser. If you want to see how to do it on your mobile phone, just check out my other videos. There's plenty of them. But I'm just going to open this up in my browser. This is a little Chrome extension here. Then we can go to the Bitcoin section. We can click buy. I'll buy $1 right now just to show you, confirm. Just like that, purchased $1. So here's my funds up here. I'm about $22 in here. We're gonna go to my wallet here, copy this address. We're gonna go back to Strike, back to Bitcoin. We're gonna paste in that address, just send the max, send all of our funds over here. There's no fees to buy or to transfer, by the way. Confirm. Your withdrawal may take up to 1 hour to process, but that's okay, that's standard stuff. So once that transfer confirms, my funds will be over here. So my wallet has 0.101 Bitcoin in it. That's about $1,975. And only I can control that, only I have access to that. No other third party or app or anything has the ability to control my address here. So I just use Strike as a tool to buy Bitcoin and then I transfer it over to my wallet. Very simple. And there's no fees for buying, no fees for transferring. You're chilling, it's fast, easy. And yeah, that's what I'm recommending right now. You could also try like Coinbase, Binance, but you are gonna experience fees on those platforms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. This already transferred, by the way. You can see my balance is now 0.102, $1,999. And here's the last transaction that I transferred over.